Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to turn off your device by apparently holding the power button and volume up. Or not. There we go. We just need to hold it past the BS AI crap that they wanted to fork down our throats. So once you hold it for long enough, you get the boot options right here, and you just want to select power off twice. This will turn off the device, which is indicated with the vibration. And once the phone is off, you want to hold power button and volume up. And you can let go of the power button when you see the device starts to boot up with the logo. Oh, well, I guess I held it for a little bit too long. Let's try that again. So it looks like if you hold these two buttons, it kind of turns off the device almost immediately when the logo shows up, so it's a little bit more finicky. So I'm gonna hold it for maybe like 5 seconds, maybe more. There we go. So as you can see, I did manage to get it at least the second time around into the recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume buttons to navigate through the options. So volume down goes down and up goes up, and then power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So with that in mind, let's go over the options that we have access to, which is reboot system now as the first one, and that will bring us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader and enter fast boot mode. I believe both of those will take us to fast boot mode. We have apply updates from SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So anyway, I'm going to stick with the first option right here and confirm it with the power button I mentioned, and this will just reboot the device and bring it back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.